Hello, I'm here at the Su Li Yin 3D Printing Company where they are introducing their new K5 advertising 3D printer. It is going to specialize in making large letters or characters for LED advertisements that you can put outside of your business or anywhere else that you might need to create a three-dimensional advertisement. So now let's take a look at how to operate the K5. Here is the built-in circuit breaker for this machine. When it is facing down, that is the off position. And when it is up, that is the on position. And there is also a reset button should you need to reset the entire machine. This will also help protect against any power surge or anything like that may have unwanted effects, consequences in the machine. Here is where our outlet is connecting to the power supply. Just a simple plug-in. And now the machine is ready to turn on. So here's the front of the machine, and as you can see, there is an outlet here that connects directly to the control board. This will help you change the firmware if you ever need to. Here is the SD card slot, and this is the power button for the machine. So now we're going to look at how to operate the machine. For the first use, you'll need to turn it on and level the bed, and these are all things we're going to cover next. So now let's open it up and take a look on the inside. It opens really easily with the help of these two hydraulic actuators. And first impressions are this thing is huge. It is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters with a Z-axis of about 70 millimeters. This has all the space you'll need to print any kind of advertisement. So now we're going to turn the motors off by selecting the motor off function. So to level the hot bed, we're going to take one piece of A4 paper, slide it under the hot end, locate the bed leveling screw, which is right here. For the second part on the bed, we are going to bring the hot end all the way over to the left side, and again slide the paper under the nozzle. It is a little bit loose, so we're going to go ahead and turn it. Now we're going to go ahead and level the front of the bed. Pull the entire x-axis forward, and the bed leveling nut is right here for this one. The bed just a little bit, and now we can feel that same amount of friction as the last two corners. And now we're going to pull this all the way over to the left here, and to test the last position, we can see it's a little bit loose. So we're going to go ahead and turn our bed leveling screw counterclockwise, slowly. Okay, and once you feel like you've got the same friction or resistance on the paper as the other three corners, you can go ahead and take the paper out, and now your bed should be level. So the K5 comes with all the tools you'll need to get it up and running. And the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to install the filament spool holders with these screws and washers. There's two holes right here on the top that they'll connect into. You'll use the hex wrench to tighten the first set of screws. And then the next one. So once you've tightened the screws completely, We're going to grab the actual filament spool holder, unscrew the cap, place it into the holder like this, and tighten it again. It should lock into place. And then do that for the other side as well. Just like this. And now we're ready to open it up. But real quick before we open it up, we're going to put our filament and get it ready, take it ready. We've got some white standard filament here. We're going to put that on the spool holder for the number 1 filament. Like that. And then we've got some clear filament that we are going to put on the number 2 spool holder. We put the filament into the little hole there, slide it straight in, and now you're ready to go. Now we are going to take the filament from the first reel, the first spool, and we are going to insert it into the back. So we're going to put your index finger here and pull on this with your thumb. And you can now insert the filament. And now you can see it's in here. And we are going to send that off. And now we can see the filament slides down the bottom tube. And we'll slide that all the way into our hot end until you feel it stop. And now we'll take the second filament, the same as the first. And now we are going to send this one in, but we are not going to send it all the way. We are going to stop right about here with this mark.